If key changes make you freeze or guess, I'm going to show you how to modulate to the next key without getting lost ever again. So every clean modulation has three things happening. So the first thing is, where are you coming from? That's your current key that you're in and the current numbers that you're playing. The second thing is the pivot that connects both keys. And the third thing is, where are you landing? Like what is going to be the new key that you're in and the new numbers that you're going to play. We're in the key of C. In the key of C, we're going to play the 4, the 6, and the 5. So the C major scale is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. So we're going to play the 4, 6, 5. So we're going to play the 4, 6, and the 5. 4, 6, 5. 4, 6, 5. All right, so the pivot is, so in this particular instance, we're just going to mirror what we're doing in the key of C. We're going to go up to the key of C sharp. All right, so we're going to play the 4, 6, 5 in the key of C sharp. So 4, 6, 5. So key of C sharp, the C sharp major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. So we're going to play the 4 and the 6 and the 5 of C sharp. So that pivot that we're looking for, that connecting chord, is going to be on the 4 of C sharp. All right, so we're looking for this basic F sharp major chord. Now, this video is not about nice chords, it's about modulating. Those nice chords will not matter if you cannot modulate. So this is the chord we're looking for. We have to land on it. We have to be very sure. For this instance, you have to be very sure, all right? So let's go back to C. So 4, 6, 5. Now we're gonna modulate. 4, no guessing. 6, 5, knowing where you're going. So listen, what I would highly suggest in those situations, and sometimes if we're honest, and y'all let me know, I would gladly do a part 2 to this video. A lot of times in gospel music, we modulate on the 5 as well. If y'all want me to show y'all how to modulate on the 5, like this, like. If y'all want a video on that, let me know and I'll gladly make a video. I'll make a part 2 to this video. So once you hear that 4 in the key of C sharp, you know you're home now. That's your new home. And then you just go to the 6. 4, 6, 5. Let's modulate one more time. So now we're going to go from the key of C sharp to the key of D. 4. So you have to know that I have to land on that 4 of the key of D. So let's go to the key of D, the major scale, real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the key of D, 4 is G. So we know we got to land on that 4. 4, 6, 5. So let's do it one more time. Let's go up one more time to the key of E flat. I know we got to land on the 4. 4. So E flat major, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 in E flat is A flat. 4, 6, 5. So know where you're going first. So there is no confusion, there's no guessing. Just have that anchored in your mind. When we modulate, I'm going to land here. This is where I have to land. It's not always the 4, it's not always the 5. Whatever it is, just know where you have to go. Like understand what that anchor is. And then after that, know what comes next. So in this case, what comes next is, if we're still in the key of E flat, 4, 6, 5, just like we did in the key of D and the key of C sharp and the key of C. So there's also modulations that happen when you back up a preacher as well. So if y'all want a video on that, I'll be glad to do one. Just let me know. If you want more training from me that goes deeper than just YouTube, and you want to become a confident gospel keyboard player, to play at your church with confidence without frustration, listen, I have a membership where I upload content every single week that goes more in depth than just here on YouTube. And it's basically me showing you how to grow and become the next gospel keyboard player at your church, or improve what you're already doing. It's all it is a $1 7-day trial. If you don't like it, you can cancel. It's just $1. I'll even send your dollar back if you don't like it. And if you would like more coaching from me, like me personally, and you really want to invest, like you're serious about investing into your craft, then you can click the coaching link below, and we can book a call, and you can talk to yours truly, and we can figure it out.